You wanna hit with the what's up, guys?
Not really.
Ready? Neither do I. What's up, guys?
Take it off.
Jesus! All right. Ah! Ooh. Could this be? Never forget the coffee. Johnny,
Yo.
what are those? As you see, I'm out with Johnny, and he's got some gates. This is something a little different than usual. We have DRL coming up here in the very near future. So we're going to try to not suck at this year. We're bringing out the tiny little soccer gates. Gonna try and fly some Racer 3s through them. Hopefully don't break too much stuff. Hopefully try and get at least a little bit of practice in so we're not totally cold rolling into the DRL season. Also, I'm for the first time testing out the new heli pack from Think Tank. I usually use the FPV session bag, but they sent me a heli pack to try out. I'm giving it a shot. It is actually quite impressive. All the stuff that it holds inside of it. Holds 2 fully assembled Racer 3s, goggles, Tyrannus, 15 batteries, all my tools. It even holds my lenses for my camera, all the accessories. It's quite impressive. It is massive, like f***ing huge, but it's the price you pay for holding everything internally. Got some fancy schmancy brand new batteries for this season. Pop it in there, just ready to roll. How you wanna do this?
The track?
Yeah.
I say we start here. Hit a little straight, hard left after those 2 trees and that.
So one thing that I want to talk about, a little practice tip and a racing tip just in general. You really need to utilize your practice packs as practice packs. I just spent the last 4 batteries, which are the old season 2 batteries. They're terrible. They're 4S batteries, 21 volts on takeoff. 10 seconds in, I punch out and they go to 11 volts. These things are literally trash, but what they force me to do is they force you to go slow and learn the track rather than just blasting through and exploding. So now that I've got my 4 practice batteries done, now we can put the newer, nicer, and more powerful season 3 batteries on and go rip.
Yeah.
Pretty stereotypical racing session, I say. Show up with 2 working quads, leave with basically a pile of dust. We got 2 Racer 3s, both with blown cameras. Hopefully I can fix them before the event, but who knows, so. Pretty underwhelming. Of course, 2 parts that I break when I have no spares of. Did you break anything?
The shell is like freaking glass, so if you crash, it just cracks, but super easy to repair.
So those tiny gates are hard. I'm not very...
Scraggle was worse though. The scraggle was much worse, dude. You can't see anything. You just like, you're a bus. When you can't see anything and you're a bus, bad things happen.
Racer 3 is like flying a bus. I don't think people realize almost how difficult it is to really fly fast. Like, I feel like most quads that people race with, they just go pa 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 pa.
It weighs so little. This thing, you actually have to like race it like a real car. You have to do lines and whatnot versus just full throttling everywhere.
I broke some stuff. Hopefully I can get something else put together and rolling, but thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.